Ulit nga. Ayun na, sipain na. May sumisipa.
It's clinically proven to relieve 6 types of pain and fever, and its paracetamol base is the first-line treatment recommended by WHO.
Face swap. Ako si Andre. Pangit ang face mo. Pangit.